My name's Eric. This is Great Wolf Forge. It's time for an update. Oh, bowie concept. So, ever since I ground the tang off of this, I realized I did it wrong, but whatever, it's what we got, so we're going to work with it. This weekend, I'm going to have a couple videos for you guys, at least that's my plan anyway, to make the guard for this knife. It's brass, I have it pre-cut out, we're just going to drill some holes in it, hopefully line it up properly so it looks like it's supposed to be there, shape it, and get this thing maybe set with some pins, or maybe I'll wait with that. I don't know if I can drill through this yet. I'm hoping I'll be able to, but I heat treated it before I did that, so what a mess. What a mess we're going to encounter together. Second thing is we have the bevels ground in for the drop point hunter. You can kind of see them right there. It's a high bevel on this. We have our plunge grind in. We left about a dime's thickness on the edge for heat treat. You know, the spine is quite a bit thicker yet. So we're going to be heat treating this puppy this weekend. First, we're going to drill the holes in it, so we don't have to worry about that. Post heat treat, we're going to touch mark it, and we're going to do all that fun stuff this weekend. So I know I haven't posted a video for a hot minute. I just wanted to give you an update on where we were with our knives. I didn't make videos of me at the grinder, you know, getting the bevels ground in, or me hand filing the bevels. They're boring. You know what it is. But if you want to see that kind of stuff, leave a comment. Let me know. If you want to see it, I'll make it. I don't have a problem pushing a record on the camera and throwing it up on YouTube. Just let me know if you want to see it. If you do, I will. If you don't, I won't. Until I get to the knife builds where I have the full build like compressed into like a 20-minute video, which will be coming when I have more time to do this stuff. So thanks for watching. That's where we're at with both of these knife projects. I'm going to have some more videos for you guys this weekend about the stuff I just talked about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you know when I post these videos. And I'll see you soon. Everybody have a great day. See you this weekend.